This is Oppo Pad Air, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So to start, I recommend that you enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Then among the available control panel shortcuts, find and hold at the nearby share icon. In order to activate it, you can simply turn on this toggle over here. And well, at this point the feature is active and somewhat ready to be used, but there are still quite a few other configurations that you can make, such as renaming your device or turning on and off its visibility, as well as restricting its visibility to only your devices, only your contacts, or not restricting it at all and making your tablet discoverable to whoever is currently in range of this feature, physical, like not far away distance wise. And finally, you can change the data mode that will be used for the file transfer. So now let's go ahead and well, test this feature out. So I'll send the screenshot that I've just made. So nearby. Let's wait until our Oppo gets discovered. So here it is. Now we will send the connection request, then accept the transfer, wait for the file to get sent and received. And here you have it already. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.